Let's face it, if you're an American, you probably already know that our breakfast foods aren't the most nutritious choices. After all, in other countries, pancakes, waffles, and donuts are seen for what they are, dessert. But even if you've accepted our tendency for sugar in the morning, you might still be wondering what to reach for instead. Well, look no further. We're about to cover 5 of the healthiest foods to eat in the morning. And stay tuned till the end since you've probably never eaten number 5 for breakfast. Number 1, chia seeds. Chia seeds made the top of this list because not only are they a filling food high in fiber, but they're really superstars nutritionally. Chia seeds, which are the edible seeds of a flowering plant from the mint family, have been a staple in diets going back to the Aztecs. And for good reason. They're an excellent source of vitamins, minerals, and powerful antioxidants, which means that these nutrients do everything from reducing free radicals in the body and lowering blood pressure to reducing inflammation and lowering blood sugar. And since 1 ounce of chia seeds is 40% of your daily fiber needs, eating chia seeds in the morning can help you lose weight by making you feel full while eating less. While most people add chia seeds to smoothies or juice, they don't have to be soaked in liquid. So adding them to yogurt or oatmeal is an option, as well as sprinkling them on top of foods like avocados or eggs. Number 2, yogurt. It's probably no surprise that yogurt made this list, but if you're struggling to eat it often, let me give you a bit of motivation. 1 cup of yogurt meets half of your daily calcium needs. And because it's made by fermentation, it contains probiotics that aid in digestion and benefit digestive health. Oh, and those probiotics also help your immune system by reducing your likelihood of contracting disease-causing agents. So, for example, research has shown that probiotics can help reduce the incidences, duration, and severity of the common cold. But not all yogurt is created equal. Plain unsweetened yogurt with few ingredients is best. So if your yogurt could double as a sundae, you're probably not getting the most benefits. Also, Greek yogurt is a great option since it has twice as much protein as traditional yogurt and around half the carbs. And since it's strained more often, it might be better if you're lactose intolerant. Number 3, spinach. Unfortunately, there's been a little lie out there about spinach being a great source of iron. Sorry, it's not. But what is true about spinach is that it's a high-protein vegetable. So it's no surprise that it's the second highest protein vegetable on this list. And despite the whole iron myth, spinach has a lot going for it. It's full of nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin K, and vitamin C, which supports your healthy immune system, protects your vision, while also promoting healthy blood flow. But there's no shame if you eat it for the protein, since it has a whopping 6 grams per cup. Now, this ranking refers to cooked spinach, so measure wisely or keep it easy by starting with a bag of frozen for convenience. Number 4, eggs. Despite concerns about cholesterol, eggs continue to make most dietitians' lists as a great way to start your day. Why, you ask? Well, yes, it's true that eggs, and especially egg yolks, are high in cholesterol. Studies are showing that in 70% of people, eggs have no effect. Which means for them, the cholesterol in eggs didn't raise cholesterol in their blood. And for the remaining 30%, well, they saw only a mild rise in their total and LDL cholesterols, which, yes, does call for moderation. Also, eating eggs leads to elevated levels of HDL, also known as the good cholesterol. And since people who have higher HDL levels also have lower risks of heart disease, stroke, and other heart issues, no one's calling to eliminate eggs from our diets, especially with them being high in vitamins B6, B12, and vitamin D. Number 5, sweet potatoes. In Asia, eating sweet potatoes for breakfast is nothing new. But as an American, I have to admit I've never thought about it before. But it's time to reconsider. Since eating sweet potatoes, especially in the morning, might be the perfect substitution for those pancakes and danishes. Asian celebrities swear that sweet potatoes are the perfect weight loss food, since they're low in calories and fat, but high in fiber. Actually, they have a lot of high insoluble fiber, which does help keep you regular, which is why they're eaten in Japan and Korea. And for them, it's the morning part that's especially important, since it's thought that what you eat first affects your body's metabolism throughout the day. For the Japanese and Koreans, this is especially important too, since your stomach and intestines naturally want to discharge waste after a night's sleep. So with this in mind, eating sweet potatoes for breakfast can speed up the process and improve digestion. So while it may take some getting used to, a baked sweet potato first thing seems to be the perfect breakfast choice. So there you have it, 5 of the healthiest foods to eat for breakfast. Was there anything on the list that you'll be adding to your menu? Oh, and if you like this video, please check out our channel for more videos on food and health. But until next time, remember, we try to eat healthy today to be healthy tomorrow. Take care.